Hello everyone and welcome back. In the previous video, we talked about local variables. In today's video, we're going to talk about global variables. So global variables are declared outside of functions. So they are global and they are accessible from any functions. To illustrate it with an example, here I'm having a variable called message and it is having a string that the string is hello world. So it's a global variable because it is outside of any function. And this is the only function that I have here. The name of my function is function1. I use the def keyword. And basically this function is going to print this message variable that is defined outside of this function. So this function can access a global variable that is defined and that is declared and initialized outside of this function. This is how nice the global variables are. So I call the function one here and I expect to have the output message in the output because this function is going to print the message variable and this message variable is saying hello world. Therefore, when I call this function, I expect to see the message hello world in the output. Also, I can have another print function here that is printing out the message function in outside of any function. So it is also globally trying to access a global variable. So when I run this code, I see two hello world message being printed out in the terminal. So in this lesson, we learned how to declare and initialize a global variable, and we learned that we can access a global variable inside a function even though that variable is declared and initialized outside of that specific function. Thank you for watching.